Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Pepe Astuce et Partage. I'm Pepe. Today's video I'm making some Koki Corn. Call it cornmeal, call it corn cake, that's up to you, but I'm making some Koki Corn. Follow the steps, stay tuned. Today I'm going to use this frozen corn. I'm going to blend it. That's what I have available. If you have fresh corn, use it. But I only have this. So I'm going to blend. So I'm going to add a bit of water to make the blending easy. And that's the consistency I want. As you can see, it's a little bit runny. So I'm going to add 2 cups of cornmeal. Keep mixing just to have it a little bit firm. And meantime, I'm going to use this pot here, add some water and bring it to boil. And that's what I'm going to use for my cooking. Next thing to do, I'm going to season with some salt to taste, some crayfish. This is entirely up to you. If you want it a bit spicy hot, then add some chili powder. If not, just leave it. Then keep stirring, combine all together. Today's hug goes to Minister Naomi Asani, watching from Leeds, United Kingdom. Let me know where you're watching me from and I will send you a hug in my next video. Next, I'm going to add some red palm oil, about 2 tablespoons, and then keep mixing. Now, I'm going to add some kale. Just to have a bit of green on my Koki corn, kind of garnishing. And that's it. I'm ready to make some little packet, medium-sized packet. I'm just going to watch the way I'm doing it. That's it. Just bend the end, both ends, roll in the middle, and then it's ready to go into the pot. Now just put it into that pot with boiling water and let it cook for half an hour. Now the trick here is to put water bit by bit. You don't want to drown it, so just put as you go. If you get dry, keep putting. This is half an hour later. To be on the safe side, I'm going to add some more water and let it boil for 10 more minutes. And that's it, done. My Koki corn is ready to serve and have it warm. The leftover, you can have it the next day, or you can even put it in the freezer to have it another time. Full of flavor. It's so good and so easy So straightforward. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bon appétit.